Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to check the brake fluid in this BMW. Brake fluid reservoir is over here, right above the master cylinder. What you can do is on the side there's a key. There's a max line. What I do is I shake it a little bit and then you can see where the fluid level is, and this is a little bit on the high side. And then there's a min line down here. So you want to make sure the brake fluid is somewhere closer to this max line, like that. And to add brake fluid, you want to make sure this is all clean, which it is. We can just twist this. You're going to pull this cap out with the sensor. That's the actual sensor that tells the dash that the brake fluid is low. So you would top off the appropriate brake fluid, and then we can put the sensor back in, hold the sensor while we screw it down, and just snug it up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.